Do you have any allergies that we should know of?
Fascism. Allergic to fascism.
Tom Wells is running for Florida's District 3 seat in Congress, and on January 30th, he attended a public event on campus. He was handing out his cards, not flyers, and was approached by police who told him he had to leave the event, which they claimed was private.
Private field. Democracy in action!
Come on. The University of Florida campus. Are you ready for the phone number? 352-392-1111.
Rights Crispy here at the University of Florida Police Department. Gonna pick up some records and see how they respect our rights. A candidate for U.S. Congress, Thomas Wells, was arrested here on campus for handing out stuff. So we're gonna see. Hello. Great. How are you, sir?
Pretty good.
Records out at lunch?
You there.
Oh, okay. Great. Hello.
Hi. Can I
Hi.
help you, sir?
Yes, please. Can I request some records?
And you're being videoed, Devin. I know. Okay.
Yeah.
How can I help you?
I'd like some records.
On what?
The arrest of Thomas Wells on January 30th, around 3 p.m. I need the incident report, all BWCs that were running, and the arrest affidavit, and CAD screen if there is any. I don't think there was a 911 call, but if there was one, that as well.
Handle 911?
I know GPD does.
Yeah.
Right. But I was told yesterday that you guys do too. You might have a record if GPD sends it over here.
Yeah, they don't normally send us the records.
Hey, I had a really good interaction last time I came and videoed here.
I'll give you $1. $1 that needs to be in my bank account. That's pretty much what I can find.
No, define. What's the definition of $1?
Define the definition of $1?
Yeah.
A form of currency.
It's incorrect.
It is?
Yes, sir. Would you like to know the
I'm
answer?
not going Jeopardy then.
Would you like to know the answer?
What is it?
What was the first name?
Thomas. Is Osgood here?
Lieutenant Osgood?
Yeah.
He no longer works here.
Oh no? Did he transfer to another department?
No.
Huh.
He doesn't work here anymore.
Right, but like, is he at GPD or Lachua? Or?
I
don't
think HR might have that record, right?
Okay.
His record?
Yeah, well, the record of, sometimes HR knows where people go to.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know where he went.
Thanks.
So this case was actually requested before by somebody else and it was going through our general counsel to be released. Let me see with them to see if they've released anything to that requester, because it would still have to go through them.
Well, it's already, he's already been charged and investigation's over, so it should be public now. And that's our statutory right, 119.01.
Yeah, but I haven't received a disposition on my end.
Okay,
So
well,
we've arrested him, but I have not received a disposition from the state attorney's office.
as far as whether they're gonna pursue charges or not, or,
Yes. So
okay, well,
right now it's with them still. Once they release the disposition, then I can release it.
Well, no,
on
it's
my own.
it's public now. It should be able to be released now. Whether the state attorney wants to pursue it or not, that's, regardless. I mean, if you want to call and find out for sure, I'll wait.
I just wanna, so big reports, we go through our general counsel to release to people, and that's one of the ones that we had with general counsel.
Still, like, the way that the law is written, the Florida state statute, I should have those records in a reasonable amount of time. If you have them available, there shouldn't be any obstacles presented or any red tape on this. This is one of the most liberal public records law in the country.
Yes.
So let's obey it.
Okay. Haley,
I'll
stop.
edit all that out. Don't worry about it. My kids are in the truck waiting for me, so.
I hope they're old enough to be.
Yeah, with their mom.
Just being safe.
Was that like an implication of negligence?
No, sir.
I'm a great dad and I'm proud of it.
It was absolutely not. I was just saying, I hope that they're old enough to be out in their alone.
They're not alone. They're with their mom. To assume that I would leave them alone in the truck, that's implicating that, implying that. So, my mom is the heavyweight champion of passive aggression, so I recognize it.
Sorry for you.
Yeah, I'm proud of it. So I'm sorry for you. What's your name?
Castle?
Castle?
Yes, sir.
Are you a sworn officer?
No, sir.
Just a civilian person?
Just a civilian person, yes, sir.
Gotcha. What's your first name?
Tiffany?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
For any video or audio, it would have to be requested through, our dispatch and our evidence department.
Okay, thanks.
I don't handle any of those, and they, it won't be today's date that they're released. But I can do my end of the stuff, which is the report, and then, she's getting the CAD call ready for you as well, okay?
Okay, well, as far as the video and audio, I can request it here.
Yeah,
If I just give you
request it here.
my email, you can have them send it to me.
Yeah, so I'm gonna print you out a request form and I'll hand it to you and you can fill it out and then.
I can't fill it out.
Why can't you fill it out?
I'm not obligated to fill it out. If you want to fill it out for me, you could do that.
But you're requesting it.
Right, and I can tell you how to, like, what I need you to write down, but I can't write it down.
Okay.
There's a reason for everything. It's some people try to say they can't read my handwriting. And there are people who don't know how to write and they want public records sometimes. The law is written very specifically for that. The tasing kit?
Well, there's a few. There's like a bunch of different ones.
Oh. Several people tase them? Is that SOP? You're allowed to light somebody up with more than one gun?
Well, it depends on if you're gaining control of it. Doesn't matter.
Activist,
Yeah. That's some stuff. So, like I said,
Could
that's
handle him with one taser at least.
we will hope. All right.
Yeah. So what of all this public? This is public community service.
Community service. Yep.
Front desk. Hello. Citizen complaint process was right there.
I know, audio and video, I'm not allowed to come back for because it's not, able to be printed right away.
Yeah, I can come back for it, no problem.
Okay. She's gonna go ahead and start working on the audio, but she said it won't be today.
That's fine. The law states a reasonable amount of time. That's it. Doesn't have to be immediate, but stuff that is readily available does have to be immediate. If I were to ask Ms. Castle, how much do you make a year here? That's readily available.
Is that a question, sir? I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, that's a public records request. What's your annual salary?
I'm a part-time OPS employee, sir.
Okay, what do you get paid an hour?
$19 an hour.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for respecting my right. You don't have to like it, but you respected it, and I appreciate that.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to, and the reason that I keep looking up is because you're talking, and I know that that's part of your right as well.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to do something that's, I'm gonna use the term fiddly, and I keep losing my place.
Okay, get back to
And
work.
So that's what I'm trying to do. Thank you.
All right, get back to work. We also expose employees who can't focus on their job.
Okay.
Proper corrections will be made. It's kind of dark in here. Let the sun get at you a little bit. Open up the blinds.
Yeah, that's how I work. Sorry.
Mhm, gotcha.
I just need a way to get a hold of you when
Okay.
this is ready,
All right.
and that's the report for it.
Wonderful. So just rights, RIGHTS. Crispy, CRISPY, at gmail.com. Let me see. RIGHTS, CRISPY at gmail.com. Yep, you got it right.
And it should either be coming from me or my student intern for the request.
Great. And what's your name is?
My name's Devin.
Thank you, Devin, for being professional.
You're welcome. And I'll get this over there to her.
Okay, and they'll contact me when it's ready to pick up?
Yeah, it would either be me or my student intern.
Okay. All right, wonderful. So I'll come back whenever I get that email.
Okay.
Thanks again. Bye now. Bye, Miss Castle. Hey, sir, what was your name?
Norris, Jeff Norris.
Mr. Norris, thanks for the service with a smile. I appreciate it. It's refreshing. You too, sir. All right. This is under construction. Gosh. I wish it would go better than that, man. Nobody else had a problem. Now here's a video of Tom going to the state attorney's office to ask for the evidence to be released to him. Exculpatory evidence.
Needs to work with that attorney to get the case.
Okay. So,
All right, that's all we have to say. So you have a nice day.
That's all we have to say.
hello,
Take care of yourself.
you
need to
said,
leave now.
Yes, sir.
Need to leave.
You need to leave our property right now.
yes, I
Goodbye.
shall do so.
Goodbye.
We're all being recorded.
Yes. So certainly you don't mind me recording you. It's
No,
a
we
public
don't mind
right.
you leaving, sir, because
We don't
it's
mind
time
you
for you to
leaving.
go.
You're a defendant. You're an active defendant in a case.
You
If
shouldn't
your
even be
attorney
here.
wants to contact us, they can feel free to do
Okay, I
that.
have-
I'm starting to understand how you might incur a trespass charge. Because in 1
Right.
second, you're going to be trespassing here.
There
And
is
then the
most-
police department's going to come,
We have
and you're going to
explained
be
to you.
asked to leave.
Well,
we
no,
cannot
this
give
is
you
good
what you're
information. You see,
asking.
I was arrested at Fleve Field without anything while I was still.
We don't want to discuss
Oh,
your
that's-
case. We're not allowed to.
We're
I've
not
asked you
Okay,
to
that's
leave.
understandable.
I've asked you to
We're
leave.
not
So,
allowed to discuss
I am
the
happy to
facts of
say
your
that I'm
case.
unfamiliar with these technicalities.
Okay, well, that's
Okay.
what your attorney can help you with.
Your attorney
Your attorney can get it through a discovery, okay?
Has an information been filed for this case?
You'll have to ask your attorney.
You can discuss
No.
that with your attorney.
Okay.
We're not going to discuss
Alright.
your
People
case
cannot
with
represent
We can't-
themselves
we can't-
in this
you are a
case?
defendant.
you. can go before the judge and discuss that. We're not going to discuss your case.
This office is prosecuting you.
Yes.
You are a defendant. You need to talk to your attorney who's representing you in legal matters.
Well, I was intending
if
to
you-
represent myself with advice from attorneys who have,
Then
an
you go
attorney who
before
has
a judge
volunteered to
and
help
you
me.
can discuss that.
Is it not possible to defend yourself in such a matter?
Sir, we've told you how to handle it, okay?
Yes,
I need
yes.
you to leave. We have other things we need to do.
I have other things I need to do as
Well,
well.
then you should get to
Yes.
it.
Well, I would thank you if I had gotten anything useful
All
from
right,
you.
take care.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Sorry, Charlie.